Take a look at this one here at Unique, especially in classics. A 90s classic, if you will. 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe K1500 LT two-door model. So it makes this one special, as well as clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 43,000 is all in this truck. 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper, and of course the grille. Bright work up front, all shows well what you'd expect in a well taken care of vehicle with this kind of miles on it. Of course, the bright red paint does have the tan or neutral color interior. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. KMC chrome wheels. Those are 18-inch wheels. Plenty of tread left on those tires. Running boards are lit in the front and the rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, but you can also see that that is in nice shape. Of course, leather buckets up front. Bench seat in the second row that will fold down if you need to have more storage room in this. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Good shape. Of course, the receiver and trailer light jack. In with the still pictures, you'll be able to see the cargo area. uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you've noticed while we're walking around this, just around these wheel wells, this vehicle appears in the Carfax, spent a lot of time as a Southern vehicle. And when you look at these wheel wells, lower rockers, definitely appears that way. This is actually still the protective coating, kind of that rubber coating that comes on them from the factory. And again, the lower rockers, running boards. And just look at how clean even the wheel wells, everything are in this one. Take a little closer look at the interior, show you the exact miles. And of course, with the LT and more modern amenities with the door locks, mirrors, all power. Windows, of course, power seat on the driver's side here, lumbar. And you can see just your natural wrinkling from the hide. So seats are what you'd expect with that kind of miles, free of rips, tears, holes. Here's your exact mileage, 43,815. Of course, on these AM, FM, cassette, and CD player. You'll be able to see. Of course, the push button 4-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low, and of course 2 high. Center console, and then the headliner all intact, in good shape. I'm just gonna reach in and fire this up here. Again, you did see the miles, 43,815. We're gonna slip around back to see how it sounds. What you expect out of a stock 5.7 liter. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop the hood, check out the engine compartment, and we'll wrap up this video. Look at this hood liner, how clean that is. Again, does not appear that this thing's been driven in much for climate and weather at all. There it is. Take a look at how clean, nice and tight this engine bay is. 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes. AC that is paired up with automatic with overdrive trans. Here you go. If you've been looking for a 2-door model of these, and a nice clean one. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe. This is a very nice vehicle. It only has 43,800 miles on it at this moment, and it basically feels like new. We do have an airbag light illuminated. All the gauges work. Radio works great. Our wipers work. Let's see if the cruise works on this one. Cruise even works. It's basically like new in my opinion. Let's get up to speed. Feels like a new Tahoe other than the large tires, which in my opinion are an improvement. Smooth ride. I'm not getting any shimmies or shakes. Alignment seems perfect. It goes straight down the road. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, so we're able to do these driving videos for you. And we do wash our vehicles. This is a 4x4, two-door. You don't see a lot of them, and this one has low miles. It's definitely worth checking out. Starts and drives like new. Check it out on our website, UniqueClassicCars.com.